I bake 嘅物件就是馬路只出名是只濟人都出 bake 嘅 ，which is burnt cheesecake. To make 這個 cheesecake, of course 你就會有伊嘅 cream cheese. Okay, 我用這個 brand Philadelphia cream cheese based on 這邊 is 250 gram. So 我用norte, which means is 900 gram. 三個雞蛋，這個是我嘅 all-purpose flour, 我用50 gram. And 我有 sugar, then 一粒 lemon, and then 這個 vanilla extract. 如果我愛 melt 掉這個 cream cheese 先，因為 it's too hard.
Honestly, it's not easy. Actually, cheese is quite thick, so I'm almost giving up. So the brain stir the name right? Stir got into a buttery, creamy in texture. Then look at inside. Proceed to do a next step.
Okay, I think my cream cheese is not too bad. I'm gonna add 3 eggs. Continue mixing it. Be very, very gentle because you don't want to screw up the whole thing. Oh my god, is my texture correct? It's like very watery. Let me show you. It's like that watery. But it's okay, I will just continue stirring it until it's thickened. 40 grams of sugar down. After 做了這裡是不是有 muscle 了? Ooh, it's looking good now. Looking very, very good now. I think I'm almost there. Flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 檸檬. The next thing that you need to do is mix it again. So basically for baking, right, 你就是要俾啲啲，你一粒餐會較會超。Just mix it together to further stir it. Now everything is transferred here already. We will continue stirring it again and again and again. The beginning is see why mixture is see bad thing, but look at it now. It's very satisfying. You know to stir it saying in I feel that it 冇夠 perfect, 冇夠 smooth 掉。Looks perfect. Look at this. Woo. So you know it's almost done, and this texture 8-inch pan, baking pan. 當時用 6-inch pan, but 我買唔到 so I'll use this. And probably white cake 是較扁啦，因為這個較大嘛。So 如果 I have 這個 paper to keep. I think it's a bit capsy, but it's okay. Okay, so Balu, as usual, what is standard SOP 就是 before I do anything, I will do a taste test first. Magic finger. Put a little bit. It's not that bad. Hopefully, it bake 出來我唔知伊 flavor 會變啦 but if 未變，這裡是 not bad for a first timer like me. Okay. Alright guys, look at the end product. What a beautiful cake. Just kidding. Okay, but I transfer white cake. Be very careful. I don't want to waste all my energy. Okay, this is usually what you function for white oven. Timing is 35 minutes. Then 240 degrees. See you later. And here we go. It's doing pretty good. Still won't out all. After 35 minutes of baking, this is my end product. Okay. Hopefully, finger crossed again. I hope it's nice.